Cuckoo. Where are we?
We're on the other side of the complex.
We are here in this beautiful camping. It's amazing. Super tasty, huh? Secondary them. The strawberry. Acidic part.
Take the big one.
Niño, you know what we found? We found this beautiful thing. It's mugwort.
Show here.
Look, it's silver. I'm gonna show you properly because on the camera I don't know if you see. Silver and the other side. The other side is green. So this is the exactly, and look at the leaf. It's like this, how it is. And it's about to flower. I was trying to grow this in the garden and I couldn't.
Guess where the strongest and most potent mugwort grows?
In Bulgaria. I was ordering before from the UK, and the tea was actually a little bit pleasant. I liked it.
Yes.
And yeah, for other beings maybe not, but we liked it very much. I'm gonna just make.
And then it finished.
And then it finished, and we ordered it from Bulgaria.
Yes.
Also because you read that. No,
No,
only afterwards.
we left.
Oh my gosh,
This
we
is
drank
by
it.
Providence.
We said, oh, it's spoiled or something. And
We couldn't even drink. It was like just one sip and
We couldn't. That's it. So
super strong.
afterwards we investigated, and the strongest and the most ancient, powerful mugwort ever, it's in Bulgaria. And here it is. And the smell of this I will never forget. Never.
We just came to buy
It's super
Providence.
strong.
We are very happy.
Yeah. We hugged them and stuff because when you find a wild herb, it's just so beautiful.
Tell
That's
them
it.
what it is for.
Ah, that's good. So this is for cleansing the liver. It's amazing to cleanse the liver. It kills parasites, and it's also a fungicide, natural fungicide. This thing makes you remember your dreams because, okay, you can. It makes you remember your dreams because it says that this is powered by the moon, and the moon is, when it's on the top, it's silver, right? So it's silver here as well. So this will give you moon power, moon blessing, I don't know, call it whatever you want, and you will remember your dreams.
Yeah, they become very vivid.
Very
it's
vivid.
Like...
It's like, and you almost cannot come out of there. But there's something else that goes on because we are spiritual beings and we investigate everything fully because we want to astral more and more. And actually, I'm gonna say the truth. We have not been astraling so much recently, and we even figured out why. But this can stay for another video. But I just wanted to say that the mugwort puts you in a vibration of the spiritual level that you cannot go further up or further down. You just stay there. And I don't know what it can be. It can be family stuff during the...
You literally get stuck on the fourth dimension.
Yes, that's it. And you don't even go to the higher fourth dimension. You stay... I don't know. It's
just
like
right in the middle.
Yes. And I quite like it, this thing, because it helped me so much to what I needed. I don't know. Research, I already told you everything.
This is also very, very good for regular menstruation.
Yes. Oh my
So if you have issues with your menstruation, your period not coming, of course consult with your doctor, but this is something that can
amazing,
help you
isn't
naturally.
Mm-hmm.
It's very good.
And there's another thing. People, beings were taking this for miscarriage, natural miscarriage, which means to stop the process of having a baby.
Pluck!
And that's it, we are super happy. Do you really want to take the plant? There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I think we leave it in
They like to
nature.
grow together. That's something that I do.
We leave it here.
If we take it, what are we gonna do?
We don't take such things anymore. We almost don't drink any herbs. When you start to eat fruits, like 90% at least of your diet, you lose your interest towards teas and stuff like this. You just want the fruit.
It becomes actually quite powerful, almost with side effects. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Yeah, you cannot get out of the sleep. In the morning you cannot get out of bed.
Yes, it's like a... I would say it's almost like you're taking a pill, a very heavy pill, like a melatonin-rich pill or something.
And you keep on dreaming and dreaming and dreaming. It's endless.
Okay, goodbye, Mugwort. Stay there. We'll leave you there.
Stay in peace.
You are 4 beings. We'll leave you there.
We love you.
Look how pretty silver it is.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Ciao.
Ciao.
It's steam.
Shall it be? Oh, it smells so nice. is amazing for to add to dishes.
It's also anti-fungal. I'm gonna put this pinching here. It's anti-fungal. I need to take. So can I use it? I'm gonna take without flowers so it can blend in.
If we could show on the video how much it smells. And I didn't even get close to it.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again.
Breakfast time.
Breakfast time! Bling, 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 bling.
What about that?
Oh, yeah. But I want to show what the birds did.
Is it this one? Look.
Oh, yeah, it's there. They were trying to eat the watermelon.
Amazing. It was close in nature, like this outside the tent, and they were pricking it. And this morning, before we go, we're gonna, at least me and, well, let's see, Petya, to jump, because we saw that you can jump from the high rocks to the river. It's gonna be very nice. That's it.
Yeah!
Itadakimasu.